Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Snapchat password. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Now from here, just go to your profile on your top left corner, and from here go to top right corner to your settings. Now here you'll find this password option. Firstly, just have your current password, and then you can have a option to put a new password, and from here you can change the password. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.